This quilt is called The Shipwrecked Man in the Sea. It's also one of the Aesop's Fables from the series that I did. As you can see, I used a lot of mixed media in this quilt, and it's not that hard to do. It looks very complex and intricate, but a lot of that has to do with the materials that I use. We use the sequins, we use velvets, we use lace, and I even painted a little bit in the houses and did a lot of accent work with a number 8 pearl around the ocean and the sea. And then it was thread painted on the long arm, which really pronounced a lot of the detail in the ocean. So she's a lot of fun to do and not so complicated. Her face is painted as well, and it's really no different than if you were putting eyeshadow on your own eyes in the morning. It's just a little bit with a little bit of thread embroidery, and her mouth is done the same way. This quilt is the Owl and the Birds. It's also from the Aesop's Fables series that I did of quilts. This one again was really fun because I used a variety of different supplies and textures in this one as well, from felted wool to velvets to just wonderful print fabrics. We used fibers and threads and did a lot of embroidery and stitchery work, velvets in the eyes, and then we did some piecing to do the branches and applique with the birds and the stars in the wool. On the panel on the side, we actually used a template that we downloaded from the internet, the font, the type style, and wrote the fable itself, traced it onto the panel with a fine point Sharpie, and then did a running back stitch with the number 8 pearl cotton to achieve this scroll.